Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you Stockx best coupon codes. First, you have to go to couponfollow.com and you will find here the Stockx coupon codes, and it is most updated. You can see the date here. You just need to click on show coupon code and you will find the code on your screen. You can also get the details about the coupon code that they offer, and you can copy this code and you can redeem at Stockx from here. You also can give the feedback that if it worked, then you can give it a thumbs up, and if doesn't, then give it a dislike here. No, you can copy this code and redeem it on Stockx. Also, you can get alerts by entering your email. There's another website that provides some important coupon codes for Stockx. Like here, you can see the coupon code that offers you 10% off on your order in Stockx. You can just copy this code and you can see the end date here. You can paste it in Stockx official website from here. Just simply click on this link and you can enter the code there, and you can find this interesting promo codes in retailminutes.com. The third website is simplycodes.com, where you also can find some interesting codes that can be used in Stockx, and you can see it's verified, and already the chance, you can see the chance here, the success rate here, the 99%. The first one is 99% success rate, and you can see the first two is able to redeem in Stockx. Just simply click on copy button to copy the code here. You just need to enter the code in Stockx, and you can also give the feedback. You can just click on shop at Stockx button to redirect it to the Stockx official website where you can use this code. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.